Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you our Verona. First, when you walk in, you notice the digital locks on the door. Our Verona is one of our 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom floor plans with 856 square feet. Right after closing your apartment door, you have your coat closet located to the right-hand side, and a beautiful ledge that looks into the dining room space area. This apartment is vinyl flooring throughout. It's one of our fully renovated, so you'll get updated gray vinyl flooring. Here's a better look of the living room space. And this would also be your dining room space. In your dining room area, the countertops are elevated, so you're able to fit bar stools. Now we're approaching the kitchen area with beautiful white cabinets, stainless steel appliances. This would be your dishwasher right here. And this personally is my favorite floor plan just because of the openness in the kitchen area. Electric stovetop. This is now your bathroom space. In our Veronas, we also have a linen closet inside of the bathroom area. This is also double entry access connecting to your master bedroom area. As for your master bedroom, it is a Jack and Jill vanity style, so you get an additional vanity inside of the master bedroom space. Along with long sliding door closets. Here's a better look at the master bedroom with beautiful long windows, perfect for natural lighting. And here comes the second bedroom. The second bedroom also has longer windows for natural lighting in there as well. And a folding door closet with additional shelving. Well, thank you guys so much for viewing the Verona with me. If you're interested, just feel free to give us a call at 734-434-3455. Goodbye. Thank you so much.